Hi, I'm Andrew from Connector, and we're here in our office up on Parliament Street. And the highlight of my internship so far has been working with a company such as Canyon.
Hi, this is Jamie. My favorite part about working here has been attending a lot of exciting events and getting to blog about them.
Another thing we worked on this summer was a Connector intern event. We were responsible for putting together an event for all the students that came over this summer.
A highlight this summer has been planning our Connector intern party.
Working with Connector, I've made a lot of important connections, but also I've met a lot of people who I'll never forget.
Working with Connector has been a great way to gain real-world experiences and make great connections in Dublin.
Hi, my name is Conor Lynch, and I started Connector as a social media business connecting people, communities and brands, online and offline. This summer I've had Andrea and Jamie working for Connector as interns, and I found it fantastic. It's been a great help.